Symmetry. Symmetry is nice. Okay? So, what's the advantage of making it like this?
Both balance and work. Not balance. Okay.
So you can use it in any orientation you want. Right? So instead of this, make 4 holes. So you can do that, you can do that. It doesn't matter. When you cannot make something symmetrical, then exaggerate asymmetry. So make it obvious, right? On the outside, this is just a cylinder. You don't know which way is which. This one is the big hole, this one is a small hole. But instead, make the outside shaped a certain way. When we pick it up, you know which one is which. So exaggerate the asymmetry. These are undesirable parts. Soft parts, hard to handle. Okay? Rubbery, sticky parts, it's hard to handle. Fabric-like, heavy, sharp, fragile. Try to eliminate objects that will have tangling. Okay? Very small, it's hard to handle, slippery, flexible, and sharp. Those are bad for manual handling. So try to eliminate these. Instead of a flexible cable, have a rigid connector, for example. Something like this. Instead of a wire, why not just have a plate and a terminal right there? So electrical wiring can be made rigid. These two guys are actually the original researcher who created a breakthrough in this area. These are their last names, Boothroyd and Dewhurst. And they come up with a time study formula. Okay? Their research at the time was very, very famous. So they come up with some formulas for you to estimate how long it takes to assemble two things together. So it's basically a time study. It's motivated by these kind of events where you have difficulty in holding, grasping parts, and you want to actually come up with a way to measure this. When you say, oh, this is difficult to assemble, well, how difficult? So you need to come up with a number, right? And so they try to come up with this scheme. So here is the guideline, or kind of the penalty points systems on measuring how difficult it is to assemble two things together. So alpha refers to the symmetry in this orientation, and beta refers to the symmetry in this orientation. Okay? So this is a perfect assembly, right? Just drop it in home. Now here, alpha, which is the angle, is symmetrical in this way, 180 degrees, right? So you can insert it this way, you can insert it upside down. So we're going from best to worst. Here, not only you have to rotate it 180 degree here, but it has to be 90 degree precise. Okay? Here, the length and the width are different, so it's 90 degree symmetry in this angle, and it's 180 degree symmetry in this angle. Okay, here the alpha is 360 degree, meaning you can only insert it this way, you cannot insert it upside down, but it's 0. Beta, there is no adjustments or constraints in this direction. Here is 360 degree and 360 degree. And so using this kind of guideline, then you can actually start to estimate how long does it take to actually assemble something. And then you count the number of steps, and and the estimated number of seconds. Okay, so you can actually create a rating like this. So what I want you to do, okay, okay, maybe I'll play this video. Should be good. This is a printer that they redesigned, and they can make it without a screw. So all these parts, they go together without a screw. Let's see if I can find the video.
Dicopot satu langsung semuanya breakdown. Bos bilang, wah, dia udah mau
They dramatically reduce the number of parts to simplify assembly and service. IBM used multifunctional teams for every phase of the design process, including assigning people from engineering, manufacturing, and quality to each subassembly to improve materials and parts quality, even developing a new plastic material which can hold snapping apart in place while laying gravity open. Now let's watch John Bowman from the Productivity and Quality Center assemble the IBM program and points out the design features which make it an outstanding example of product and process fusion. The first time John did this, it took him 15 minutes. Let's see how long it takes him now to get practice. This is the IBM program. It's designed for assembly. We'll start off by pointing out a few of the key design features, and then during the assembly you'll see the significance of those features. The base is a large fiber-reinforced molded plastic part. It acts as a pallet to carry print through the assembly. It also locates the two carriage side frames with respect to one another to minimize the falling span. The left side of the carriage locates the two drive motors and the drive gears, and the designers took advantage of the elasticity of the plastic to mold a little leaf spring in to position a shaft. This eliminates the use of linkages and pins and springs that would be necessary in a traditional design. There are a number of steel shafts that are used to guide the print head and the paper. Each of the shafts is located only on one end, the other end is allowed to float. This minimizes any tolerance demands during manufacture. Also, all the locating diameters are different, so that the shafts cannot be snapped into the wrong place. The print head is driven by a molded plastic screw pressed onto the end of the drive motor. The screw eliminates the use of belts and pulleys in a traditional design. All of the power and control circuitry is located on a single PC board. This eliminates the use of multiple PC boards and the interboard wiring operations that will be necessary during assembly.
So they make everything a single PCB.
Also, sensors are used to indicate when paper is present and when the carriage head is returned. This eliminates the use of a micro switch and, again, wiring operations. Power supply consists of a transformer, an on-off switch, and a power cord outlet pre-assembled into a functional subassembly which can be tested before final assembly. There are a few points to note during the assembly operation. First of all, the goal of straight-down insertion has not been achieved, even though this is the state-of-the-art of design. However, the motions that are required are simple and do not require much dexterity, so they can and have been automated by IBM. Secondly, the base will not be reoriented during the assembly. All of the required operations can be done from a single position. Finally, you'll note that no tools or screws are used during the assembly. We'll start off by putting the PC board in position. Power supply is then snapped in over it, capturing it in place.
By the way, the power supply has the on-off buttons on the module. So no external switch and then more wire.
And plugged into the PC board. Paper tray, the locating guide, is then snapped in place. Carriage frame, 2 drive gears for the paper drive assembly. The drive motor slips in place and twists to lock.
So it's push and twist to lock.
It's then snapped to the base. And the motor is plugged in. Drive roller assembly slides into the carriage frame, is captured by the other side. Cast aluminum platen then snaps in place between the 2 side frames, fixing the width. Another paper tray is then slipped in and snapped to the base.
So that that little steel piece is to fix the width so it doesn't flex. So the purpose of that is just for rigidity.
And a tensioning shaft is snapped into the 2 leaf springs mentioned earlier. The drive screw and motor slide in, and the motor twists to lock, similar to the other motor. The print head slips onto an eccentric shaft to adjust the contact pressure between the head and the paper. It's aligned with the nut and snapped in place. Print head is then plugged into the PC board. A small clip is snapped onto the end of the shaft in case the adjusting arm should ever come off. The tail shaft is used to support the back end of the print head. Drive gears are snapped in place to drive the ribbon. One is equipped with a spring clutch which replaces a whole reversing gear assembly in a conventional design. The tractor drive assembly is then built next. Main drive shaft snaps in place, and the roller is snapped over the top and twisted to lock in place on the shaft. It's very difficult to slip a roller onto the end of a shaft.
That is pretty cool. I
The
think.
roller is snapped over the top and twisted to lock in place on the
So instead of inserting it all the way from the end and pushing it through, they just come in the middle.
shaft. It's very difficult to slip a roller onto the end of a shaft, and this operation is very simple. Molded plastic parts are then snapped in place to fix the width of the paper. Comparable parts on another printer have springs as part of the assembly. A keypad is then snapped in place, making both mechanical and electrical connections simultaneously. The ribbon is then snapped in place. This is typically a fairly difficult operation since the ribbon is flexible. IBM allows the customer to take care of this. At this point, the printer is functionally complete. It can be inspected, and any adjustments that are necessary can be made. After that, the hoods are snapped in place. Paper drive knob. Cover and a form separator are slipped in place. And the printer is complete. Plug the printer in.
Sounds like 80s. Dot matrix printer.
We have a working printer.
Okay, so I mean, at the time, this is state of the art. This is like, wow. Among the design engineers, they were like impressed.
Compared to a typewriter.
No screws. No screws. And you see that, I mean, if you ever take apart a printer, even today, it's still very complex. So this is called the IBM Pro printer. Assembly of machine components. Sometimes you can machine something and assembly is impossible. So, and it's very difficult to see this in a computer design because when you draw things in SolidWorks, I mean, you don't simulate assembly. Nowadays, I think they can, but you know, this is something that you have to always consider. And you know that 3D printed parts does not necessarily mean something that you can machine. So, the in-class exercise I want you to do, if you open Google Classroom, week 8, okay, I think it's called the homework. Okay, I think you have to watch these lectures first. That's now I remember. Okay, so I want you to listen to these lectures and actually pick a part for the time estimation. Now, you can just pick a consumer product, and you can. Do you bring a headset with you? No, not all of you. Okay. After you hear the lecture, then you conduct the time estimation technique. So you probably need to find a part assembly from Google somewhere. Okay, and then you do time estimation for that.
So it's like an assembly of a machine, like
It's from a
manual.
consumer product.
What consumer? Like anything, like
Yeah, like your mouse, for example. If you take it apart, right? So you have the number of screws and the number of
Does it have to like have screws or like is it like or is it like
no, it can be anything.
It's the homework, right? Yes. Okay.
So first, I want you to watch this video before you go into the time estimation technique. Okay, first watch this video. This is the slides for that guy. I mean, it's 24 minutes, so I don't want to play it here and you fall asleep to it. Okay, so listen to this one first, and then you need to go through this lecture in order to understand how to do the time estimation using Boothroyd and Dewhurst. Okay, so I guess I'll let you do that on your own timing. Go ahead and redo the post test. I think I covered most of the questions. Let me review first. You can just use the same link.
It's actually for responding. We cannot redo it.
Yeah, it's only for the response.
Oh,
It's what?
It's one time only.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hold on.
something is burning.
Okay, I turned it off.
I've got this like several times and it's comes off with the entire thing. It's so worth it somehow.
When it's broken, screw. When it's broken, do it back.
I tried to, it didn't stick. It's like this.
Did you use
I used to, that's it. Definitely not.
I guess it also gets the election of 4 holes in some balls.
Yeah.
But that wasn't exactly necessary. It's 1 and 3. But my question is alignment features needed? Yeah, because you're not adding any new alignment features.
But that's the innovation.
I think so. It is 1 3. Oh, I think it's all 4. Actually, I think it's not what it was. Then it's all good. Stable. That's the key. Oh, asymmetry. It's not asymmetry. No, but look at what it says. Create asymmetry. Create asymmetry formula. And the last one is from you're getting the check. Maybe you get to me anyway, right?
Like the copies.
Got it.
Yes, you just plug it in.
This is how people are
Yeah.
Do we mark as done when it was
What's that?
Do we have to mark as done? Mark as done.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I usually pull your responses from Google Sheet.
Oh. So I was curious, because there was a physics class. I had like I was
No, at least
Sure.
Yeah, just why do you think this is like so bad at taking it out?
Someone asked.
Di website lah. Di website.
Okay, you guys did it?
Yang apostil pakai website bayarnya gimana?
Pakai ada fotonya sama DP.
Ada voucher kan? Ya vouchernya udah lagi.
Oh, ada.
Everybody submit the post test. Not missing anyone. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off.
Dari email. Dari email.
Bukan di email.
Alright, so make sure you do that before next week, okay? So that's a significant homework. You need to listen to the recordings. YouTube.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Apa sih MD di tulisnya apa?
Jadi lu ada suruh tadi udah belum di post. Jadi saya sudah itu disuruh ambil mic atau apa terus lu harus nonton materinya.
But we can.
Belum bisa. Memang pasangannya itu udah video. Waktu sampingnya gitu. Harusnya di email dia muncul linknya nih.
Aku bilang soalnya most people that will go to Twitter is doing MPD anyways, and I was like, so I said to what happened, and it was like, guys, you guys are doing MPD, right? Like, yeah, okay, cool. So it'll be interesting. It'll still happen. We just have more time to prepare, I think. Ya juga dia mau ngasih juga sih. Tapi gara-gara kamu bilang kemarin udah jadi kita suruh game. No, you remember? I don't think there's a forget it. Yeah. You sure? Maybe you're right. You're right actually because because Thomas has managed to skip by without doing that PID thing for like yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Not
talk. It's just send the listing. Yeah, Pepe, so we know what the system is. Because like, look, you literally already said it, right? If you didn't get any form of briefing, just not gonna work.
We don't know anything.
Tapi hari ini kita lagi ngerjain arenanya, jadi sore ini memang benar lagi susah.
Just send the PPT and like the documentation, any documentation you have on the robot.
Nah, kalau mau gue send dokumentasi doang sekarang, besok baru kita bisa meeting bahas soal.
Okay, that's fine.
Ya, nggak apa-apa. Biar kita tahu aja gitu, biar nggak blind.
Yeah. And just schedule something for tomorrow, and then
bisa
Kalau online briefing.
online bebas whenever. Pas cuma online aja.
Jangan malam-malam.
Yeah.
jangan aman.
No.
Soalnya dulu besok itu Kamis jam 1 sampai agak sore meeting sekarang di pagi.
Gua mau beli kan videoin aja sekalian gimana nih? Record aja.
Review series.
Oh, iya temen masih udah
Bos zaman gua masih punya PC ya.
Lagi.
Lu ini tapi dekat rumah lu. Kalau dulu namanya roller bola gua anjir. Karena gua enggak ada connection. Pusing.
Dulu dia masuk baca.
Mulai orang ngajak mahal lihat berempat.
Oh, yang itu ya. Main DC berempat.
Iya, Pak.
Sampai ke temennya.
Temennya Sopo.
Wala.
DC-nya berempat tapi.
Salah satunya rame lu.
So, wait, you use Sennheiser? Is it good?
Yo, gimana mau mindik?
Yanto.
Yo,
Yanto sopo bapakmu?
iyo.
Oh, good for you. Anjay.
Aja woi dolan lo Yanto.
Yo,
Aku kan naik bapak
yo. Yo, nek bapak gua offside ya aku bilang, papi offside.
Apa rapi goblok kowe.
We need to go tomorrow we go only go in morning, right? Karena itu.
Apa kalau kayaknya nih. Alamak, Pip, gue mainin Sinter kayak bagong.
Goblok.
Merah aku.
Kurang liar.
Merah. Gue tahu kayak
Surabaya.
Iya. Tak bilang itu punya bapak sangean.
Bapak Onya.
Besok
Where is it?
kelas
In the manufacturer.
yang paginya apa Pak Mola? Soalnya kalau pesan gua minggu lalu kemarin Pak Mola punya besok jadinya tuh kita yang itu kalau bisa sih yang udah yang event donat itu loh.
Kita ini ada besok gua ada ulangan kalau
Kalau
Seminar dia position. It's just very far. Yeah, it is very far.
Coba bilang.
Bisa kalau ada pendaftaran nih.
One week later,
Uh-huh.
I went to Surabaya to this.
Before you got the reference letter from SU?
Yeah, what is?
Apaan?
Got connection.
Again, election.
Again,
Fucking connection.
Has to be connection cok, gak ada pilihan lagi. Like, lu lihat kan like requirements kemarin apa? 3,3 ya?
Oh, di beberapa ya?
Iya.
Banyak yang
Si Gundam sama Crossbone.
apaan GPA?
Ada beberapa tempat magang yang minta tempat magang yang minta minimal.
Di atas nih dari ini ya prequelnya.
Lu udah ketemu plot
Yang mana tuh paling terakhir ya itu di cuma appear itu kayak last episode.
terus udah ketemu di
I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. I guess sama you.
1 Desember.
Alright.
Oh fuck me.
15.
Yes. Good.
Tapi gue juga lagi naik koleksi tuh, gue lagi naik om, semua yang gue tahu tuh, gue udah tahu lah.
Lu FLSP udah? Hah? Udah cek?
Bapak saya.
Kan gue udah salah.
Oh, dulu.
Kalau FLSP kan company ide, company kecilnya.
Tapi ya of course, maka ini supervisor name-nya dikasih bapak gua enggak lah, dikasih bawaannya bapak gua.
Itu
Biar nggak ketahuan bawaan dia.
Iya, kemungkinan keterima ada bapak gua lagi di
As long as it's not family business.
kan ini tiba-tiba
Bapak gua kerja
ada background.
I would like to that company.
Drama keluarga.
Dan diterima sama bapak gua.
Tapi gua mau bilang ya,
Meeting mentor jadinya hari ini online sama besok juga atau gimana?
Besok aja.
Besok aja kan? Hari ini lu harus seperti tadi.
Wah, gua udah ikut.
Oke.
Caranya gue bisa kan bisa berubah jalan.
Sisa apa nih? Masih lanjut
Pas ke
pasangan sensor kemarin.
sebetulnya udah sekali gimana?
Negara sebelah sebentar.
Oh iya.
Tinggal go to the border sambil pakai paspor.
Oh bisa, saya nggak usah.
Bisa? No. Kan cuma ditanya how long will you be staying? Kayak in a border kan ditanyain kayak gitu kan. How long will you be staying? What's your purpose? Apa? Dia kalau mau travel ke Berlin sebentar pas di Jerman.
Masih lu
Ya kan dia paling kayak si biasa nggak sih yang declaration.
Oh,
Ya cuman kayak enggak kayak kalau lu bawa mobil gitu kan ditanyain what's your purpose? How long?
kita ke Paris dulu, Bos.
Was in Paris?
We need to meet someone in Paris. Iya. Iya. Ayo cepetan, enggak bisa
yang
Paris.
Tapi Prancis sama Italia katanya apa? Sama banyak kriminal. Bahaya.
Terus recommendation.
Banyak
Ini traktor juga ya AMD saya sudah jam berapa ya?
Iya, jam 4.
Iya. Kenapa?
Karena itu yang tadi yang video. Yang video kita sebenarnya disuruh potong cuma nggak mungkin dia tutup 20 menit.
Lu
Ya,
mana itunya?
kan bapaknya kayak, oh material today is done, time to go home.
Iya.
Saatnya saya juga pulang aja.
Ada banyak saya kan?
Ada. I'll just give you guys exercise. Time for me to deep.
My biasa apa Wan? The best.
My job is done. My beja
Oh,
udah
beja.
setuju.
My biasa the best.
Beja mau pakai sampah aja habis itu balik my beja.
Lu langsung transfer gimana? Yang
Apa yang uang biaya semester gimana? Ya, gua Taylor, gua sama kayak Taylor lagi. Tadi pagi. Lu bayangin gua lagi Taylor.
Gue juga belum dikasih.
Gua kan bisa nge banner sama terus gua udah kayak anjir di banner udah.
Lu
Meja belum beli.
Udah bayar. Oh udah bayar. Gua
anjing. Kan
yang problem itu.
IM-ku kan terus ternyata udah di dan dibayar lagi.
Prek udah cok. Kita bukan kan?
Iya.
Terus gua kasih itu diterima.
Apa? Kopi itu juga
Enggak, jelas.
Hah?
Jelas.
Sama siapa?
Ada
Si Faisal juga belum bayar. Tiba-tiba.
Misalnya gua
Udah bayar. Kenapa anjing?
Milo. Gua siap sih aman ya, soalnya yang punya perusahaan itu bukan saudara gua langsung, jadi saudara gua punya suami. No. Jadi nama belakangnya bukan nama gua, jadi aman.
Gua ada 90% chance gua harus balik ke Cikarang.
Ya udah balik aja enggak apa-apa.
Iya itu.
Lu emang apply di mana?
Mati aja
Oh,
kalau
gua lagi nyari, sama gua bilang, "Udah, apa?
Iya,
Pabrik."
udah aja.
Sama gua tiba nanya, "Kalau pabrik kabel boleh enggak?" Ya jelas boleh dong. Oke, udah selesai. Ada. Oke. Pabrik kabel. Ya, kabel, produksi kabel gitu.
Tapi cuma gitu.
Apa? Lu mulai kapan?
gue ya
Udah tahu kapan start?
Desember.
Desember kapan?
Ya gue ikut bapak gue aja kalau dia ke Jambi.
Oh, iya.
Don't you have to specify in the form for SG when you start?
Whenever I want. Whenever my dad goes to Jambi. Ya lu ngomong kayak gitu langsung ketahuan orang dalam aja.
You can't even say that. You have to specify when you start, when you end.
Kan kayak gini kok. Gua apply ke company yang bapak gua kerja.
And then bapak gua yang terima gua.
Coba aja GMF buka sampai dia saya anjing.
Kan it's not family owned company.
Aduh, gua dituduh.
Wah, GMF kalau masih buka gua daftar Jo, sumpah gua mending itu daripada yang Mandala sih deket banget sama rumah gua.
Anjing.
Pengen go to WF, that's like the best spot untuk magang.
Emang, GMF is the best spot. You look at
Kalian
next
saya
day.
udah magang, gua dulu.
Gua juga belum anjing.
Gua technically udah, teman gua jujur nggak tahu gimana.
Gua nggak tahu gimana tuh gimana.
Gua dikenalin sama gua kan. Ada pabrik saudara
Gua
gua.
juga udah.
Cuman kayak gua belum spesify gitu, kayak gua kapan gimana prosesnya.
Gua belum udah kayak buka belum kayak itu. Soalnya gua tak pas tau Cikarang kayak anjing udah kayak
Lemas.
lemas aja gua.
Nggak mau Cikarang.
Wah, lemas anjing.
Saya mikir Cikarang gua langsung
So you
cancel.
steam.
Malah lu di Cikarang ngentok sama Jude.
Alam banget.
Kenapa kan lu suka Cikarang, Bos? Emang di Cikarang aja.
Gua udah dipanggilin
Ya
What? Okay. Not sus at all, but okay.
kok dia ke GMF langsung post.
Yeah, I think it's more cost. Because
Halo, ini apa? View-nya udah penuh belum? Udah penuh. Padahal setengah, Cok. Terus master gua habis bensin.
We are boarding in 2 more minutes.
Bensin udah full belum? Bos, siap, sudah full. Terus ternyata masih setengah aja.
Oh, itu sih.
Jadwal tabrak.
Jok, posisinya jadi apa, Jok?
Ya kan jadi ada banyak, ada aircraft control engineer.
Aircraft control. Hello, this is tower. You are about to collide into another plane.
Itu air traffic controller.
Itu
Ini
traffic.
aircraft
Itu
control.
traffic.
Flight controls. Jadi kayak kiri
Simulasi.
kanan pesawat enggak.
Main game dulu.
Bukan, kiri kanan pesawatnya, flapsnya segala.
Lu yang maintenance pesawat nantinya. Lu yang cek ini aman.
Bornya satu hilang.
Nanti.
Hey!
Nanti
Itu yang disalahin supervisornya tuh.
nanti aduh sebelum sentuh bisa dibuka flapnya.
Lu
salah disentuh flapnya nggak gerak kan?
Itu dulu pernah ada kecelakaan pesawat kan bawa beli taruh yang saya supervisor bukan orang yang pegangnya. Menurut lu kalau misalnya ada masalah sama
Supervisornya
MT,
marahin lu.
menurut lu kalau ada masalah sama MT dia misalnya kita?
Ya.
Bukan lah, supervisornya anjing.
Siapa tadi?
Tadi ya pasti dia yang pertama dimarahin. Iya. Ya suka ceweknya.
Ya udah.
Nama baik yang nggak mau.
Gua pakai topi berantakin. Gua kan nggak masuk sekolah.
Itu rencana nama Hansa.
Apa tadi sama Hudson bikin
Kita bikin drama.
kan ada logis, terus ada grup lagi baru dibikin kalkul dari
Kenapa namanya?
badut. Sisa di sana badut jadi
Orang kerjanya cuma bikin grup aja dia bikin.
Siapa nih?
grup badut coba buat entertainment sih.
Divisi badut aja. Aduh, cepat kelar lah, biar tidak usah dipikirin lagi.
Kalau emak gua
Saya sadar.
jadi ordel, emak gua kerjanya di kantor.
Di mana? Kargo. Yang kenapa emangnya kalau kargo?
Anjing tinggalnya di kapal.
Lah,
Gua takut di
itu bukannya bayarnya Mbak besar ya?
Tapi bayarnya gede banget kalau yang kayak gituan.
Kargo besar.
Soalnya taruhan nyawa.
Iya, ada badai, kejang-kejang gitu.
Terus nggak ke OSD.
Alah, lu kena hujan dikit aja udah sakit kemarin. Apalagi kena badai.
Langsung hilang sobat balik kok hilang orangnya.
Kalau mau hilang dulu.
Yeah, I also ate okay, apa itu? And then the next day I see this guy sick.
Kapal udah lemah.
in the rain. I'm stuck in the car for 1 hour. Okay, remember last Friday in the workshop?
Oh,
Yeah. Well, I ate every rain. I still had to go back. I still had to deliver the package with James. And then what? Once I home, I figured out Calvin is sick. This guy is sick. Freshkey is sick.
Yo,
yeah.
last Friday. No, really, so no umbrella. I walked to the rain.
Why didn't you ask
Makanya dia nggak ada
umbrella or
umbrella.
something?
No, I
Orang
just
kesakitan bos. Namanya
So,
So during badminton, during
Yeah.
sport,
I just walked.
not when it's like chill.
No. And then 1 hour in the car.
Apalah.
Get back, I'm still fine.
What? Did you blast the ace on your face? Or
Tidak, gua ngikut MPD,
If
gua
you
tidurnya udah akan
did like that, and then you blast the ace on your arm, I guarantee by the time you get back home, you wouldn't be feeling like, well, I swear. You should try that next time. Blast the ace.
I'll do that before empty the
Before, oh, I see how it is, Axel.
I'll do that during empty day.
Tomorrow we have to make
Pak,
a
buat aku
message
tahu.
for the
MPD. Apa MPD mas?
Apa itu empty day?
Tinggal tahu saja
so along with the certificate if you want salah ada di email.
MPD itu ya kok apa? Sewa meja.
Sewa meja?
Iya.
Untuk apa? Gak ada diskusi.
Gak usah dijadi
so much for
Kita main bel. Oh,
Boleh.
boleh kita cabut ke Milels, kita main cabut ke Milels.
hard work.
Aduh, tapi gue jadi mentor.
Apa ya?
Ibarat aja.
Kasih aja dong. Kasih pilih.
Say after email. I want to do it.
Bilang aja kok. Oke, saya mentor kalian ya. Kalau ada pertanyaan, tinggal kontak saya langsung.
Body for all. And then here's the link for all.
Udah, di Dema.
Please find it in the drive. But I don't think we have started any design for the.
Nah, pas ide terus gue tiba-tiba wah, ide gue tiba-tiba kayak gini.
You're not gonna do an empty day of the day.
Ini MC baru
Sorry.
saya. Oh iya.
So I said,
Tapi saya
I hate your name.
Ayo.
I put your name there, Axel.
Enggak
so sorry.
Enggak dapat CPDP.
I'm so sorry. I put your name
MC
there.
atau tidak CPDP sama sekali gitu ya.
okay, just give me the code and all the wiring diagram. What is it? Is it the mentor chat?
Nanti mentor bakal bikinin wiring diagram sama code kan?
Udah ada di chat.
Udah ya, oke.
Kode yang dari buat kontrol nggak usah kan? Istilahnya kan itu kan nggak bakal disetting lagi.
Sebetulnya nggak usah.
Boleh
sih.
sih.
Boleh sih. Misalnya ada kenapa-napa, misalnya nih.
Boleh, dia bisa ya.
Bisa berangkat.
Harus pakai yang
Emang harus pakai
external itu.
Ini jadi ke
For the controller, it's a bit more complicated.
Ya, ada cara flashnya udah buka.
Kalian, this the tutorial for
Yang lebih mana suruh ke Wax
You have to download the
Bawa
Microsoft
Fresky.
software.
Kiki sakit.
Arduino ID. Tapi gantinya masih di Arduino ID nya
Makanya
kan?
datang hari ini.
Tapi ABS dulu, baru abis buka sepatu, itu nggak boleh.
Ya terus yang apa yang software yang di luar itu yang STM itu kita upload filenya di situ kan terus yang STM nya masih upload ke
Kayaknya udah.
ya.
Ya mereka menerjemahkan
For the other one
bahari ya.
is easier. It's
Kalau itu nggak tahu.
I'm sure you can do it.
Gua lupa nggak Wes kan itu pisau gue tinggal di Pajero ya. Tiba-tiba bapak gue nemuin kayak itu pisau siapa di mobil. Ditanya kayak kamu mau bunuh orang.
Kamu kesel sama siapa ini?
Kesel sama DCP.
Dan
Dual clutch. Dual clutch.
pas di
Kata paling jenius tuh saat gue kepikiran ada keinget bagaimana kalau kompetisi di satu hari saja.
Iya.
Itu
puncak komedi.
Gue kira itu puncak komedi. Gila, salah menjadi diktator.
Itu puncak
Salah
komedi.
menjadi diktator.
Bagaimana?
Woy, kerekam.
Atau hari karena saya cuma bisa sehari.
Dia tuh mau get the highlight version.
Kan rekam orang kita harus ngobrolin siapa aja udah direkam.
Ya sih,
Ya kayak kita dari pemakam kayak malam-malam ngobrolin rekam itu yang kita ngobrol di ruang 2004 itu udah kerekam semua. Yang anak-anak tahu pasti.
Terus tiba-tiba kata apa sih?